Hey guys, welcome back to our third and last video of our room database series. So in this video, we're gonna learn how to implement delete and update function to our Android app. So with this video, we'll end our RoomDB series. This will be the last video of this series. So without much ado, let's get started. So guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon for receiving notification of the upcoming videos. And by the end of the video, if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button as well. So the very first thing we're going to do is we need to add a button into our main activity. So let us just quickly do that. I'll just go to design mode, and here we'll take a vertical divider line. Right, we'll constrain it to parent on both sides. And we'll set its visibility to invisible, right, because we do not want to make it visible, of course. And we'll constrain this button here. Yeah, and we need another button to update our data. We'll constrain the top to this write data button, and we'll constrain horizontally with this divider and parent. Right, we'll give it a ID button underscore update, and the text needs to be changed. Okay, that was all we need to do in the front end part, and now we'll just go to our DAO. So here you can see for the delete we have this function, but for updating we need to add another query. So I'll just write it down, query, and as we want to update the data, so update the name of the table, and then we're going to mention set. We'll set the first name, right, don't worry about this error, it will just go in a while. And we want to update the last name as well, and here we want to use where roll number like. Okay, this is the method, the update method, right? So here we'll get three arguments, the first name, last name, and roll number. So with the roll number, we know that which entry we want to modify, and we want to replace the first name and the last name. So here we have used this query, update the table, right? We have just written the name of the table, then we use set, what we want to set, what all values we want to update. So we want to update the first name, last name, where roll number is equal to the roll number that has been passed as an argument to this method, right? So this is pretty much everything I guess we need to do in DAO. We need to add this query. So we'll just go to our main activity. So first thing, we will implement our delete operation. So binding dot button delete all. Oops. Dot set on click listener. So definitely we are going to use coroutines. So global scope dot launch, and we'll refer to our DB. So app DB dot student dot delete all, right? So you want to delete. That is everything we need to do for deleting, for the delete operation to be implemented. And now we are going to implement our update operation. So same binding. Why it's not getting that? Please check. I guess the ID was okay. It has not been changed. Done. It should work now. Button update dot set on click listener. So whenever user tap on this button, we want to call the method update data that we're just going to put it here, right? So yeah, this is the function. So the very first thing we're going to do is we are going to capture all these three values that is being entered by the user. So I'll just copy this code only, right, because it's the same code, and I guess I'll copy all of it, right? We'll just do some changes because it's almost similar to the write data method, but few changes needs to be done. So okay, and we do not want this, right? We'll check if the values are not empty, then we want to call the update method, not the insert method, because we want to update data. And what all needs to be passed, so the first name, last name, roll number dot to int, right? We want to convert the string to integer. Then we want to clear all the fields, and we will just raise a toast, successfully updated, and else please enter the data. I guess it should work fine. So yeah, what we have done in update data, we have captured all the values, we have checked if all the values are not empty, and then inside the coroutines, and the scope of that is IO because it's an input output operation, right? So we have called the update query, update method from our student DAO. We have passed the first name, last name, and roll number, right? And then we have just cleared the fields, raise a tools, those are normal things. So this is the main line of code that will work to update the entry, right? So let me just quickly install this app to my emulator and see if all the things are working fine or not, right? So okay guys, the app has been installed to the emulator. Now let me just open this app inspection. I guess the process has been selected, and let us just write the value first, right? We have to write some value, so I'll just enter my name. Okay, the data has been written. So okay, there are two entries, the first one and the last one, and the roll number for the first entry is 1 only, right? I'll set it to live update, and let's just try to update the first entry, right? So I'll change it to Oliver Johnson, and the roll number for the first entry is 1, so we have to enter the same roll number because then only it will identify which value to update. So we'll change the first and last name for this entry. Let's check if it is working fine or not. Okay, Oliver Johnson, right? Changed. So let's just change the second value as well. The roll number for that is 32, so just 32. Let me change this to Sachin, right? Update data, update it, right? Now let us just try to delete all the data. Okay, all the data has been deleted. So I guess we have successfully implemented these two functions into our Android application, and with this video we have learned how to implement write data, how to create the schema with RoomDB, right? Then how to implement all the 4 operations: read, write, update, and delete, right? So I guess now by watching all these 3 videos, the concept about RoomDB has been cleared from my side, and you guys have understood the code, right? But still, if you have any doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram. The Instagram username will be there on screen right now. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and in case you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification icon for receiving notification of the upcoming videos. And the link for the source code of this tutorial will be there in the description below. You can check out the source code. So that is pretty much everything from my side in this video. See you in another video. Bye.